Dumelang sweetie, welcome back. Guys, I can't do a proper intro because wow. Oh my gosh, kids will humble you. Oh goodness, kids will humble you. You know that today all I just wanted to be is a girl. Like all I wanted to be today is a girl, do my hair, wash my car, just be soft, you understand? Be soft, go gift shopping for my friend's birthday, like soft things, guys. Yo, my little sister humbled me, like, yo. But it's okay, I've crashed out, it's fine. We are now both late for our hair appointments, which are at different places, but I have dropped her off now and I am on the way to mine. At least I managed to move mine to like past, because I texted the lady and I'm like, girl, 9 o'clock is not working out to be 9 o'clock. But yeah, at least she lost her booking slot. Fita malume. She lost her booking slot because oh guys, like this bad day, you know, the things we see on the road. Yeah, shame. Anyway, she lost her slot, but she's standing in line now. So after the lady that they are doing, then they are going to do her hair, which is fine. And then yeah, so let's just be cute girls. Let's go do my hair. If I like the place, then I am also going to go back to do my nails there next week. Oh, it has to be next week, you know. Yeah, next week sometime I'll go do my nails there. But yeah, for today, let's just spend the day with me. We have already did the laundry, hung it. Okay, well, we didn't get space to, like, well, we're thinking, actually it's fine, guys. The more I think about how the morning went, the more I get like, and I don't need to. It's not necessary. But yeah, we've already did the laundry, hung the uniform, because now it's all occupied. Today is said to be a sunny day, so everybody woke up early. I guess they learned from me. And now today I get to because instead of because all I was focusing on is hair, but it's fine. Yeah, let me go get my wig lines done and then we can see if, you know, I should have taken that wig, maybe also lenatlampa installation for a less amount. hopes, but yeah, let me go and do my hair and then yeah, let's just see how we like the place. Enjoy the vlog. Welcome to a new vlog, sweetie. Dumelang sweetie. Thank you for coming back. I have arrived. I had to park all the way there because there is no park. So the parkings here are like reserved for the different business units. So I think her parking is taken. Let's go see. I don't know if I'll be able to vlog because now I saw people in there and I just became shy. Sorry, also every time I come here I will be vlogging, ne? Just don't mind me.
I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, cause they knew you from the womb and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to
Nothing. Hi guys. So I am done. Hey guys, I don't know. But yeah, I am done. These are the lines. They are neat. My struggle right now is with the terminologies of hairstyles, and I think that's where we and hairdressers like come to fight, because you want nice stylish lines, but because when they calling them wig lines, this is just what they do, but if I want the thinner ones, I must call them freehand. And then if I want to start styling and whatever, I must also it's a different name for that, and it's a different price as well. So yeah, anyway, this is my hair. At least I look neat. I'm so happy that my hair has actually grown. My hairline is not too bad, but it is, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just here waiting for my little sister who is getting her hair done. And then I'm going to go to the car wash. I don't know if she wants to go with me or what's her life plans. But yeah, I'm waiting for her in the car because Salunia is it's a bit busy. And I don't want to sit in there. So yeah. My cool kid is back. She looks so pretty. Okay. You don't want?
You can check.
Okay. She looks so cute. Diriba di tswile. Bana ba malisha diriba di tswile. Guys, ke kopa le moreng le re angire yana moriri because look at how nice she is. She has lashes on, guys, and that's me.
33 guys.
Marbonan.
Ma go ena go tsenya dilesh matla go tswalega.
Ba bolelle no tsenya dilesh kana go tsentse ratla ka yona. Phakela.
Nna le
phakela.
Le ke tsenya fela tse 2 guys. I would have been done.
Anyway, guys, we are fine now. She's cute.
Thank you for the hair.
Pleasure, doll. Let us go and yeah, let's just see. I want to wash this car and then maybe I'll come back here to get a hair install. Bar installation here on a high bed, so I think I'm going to come back and get my hair installed because kana my friend uri dionenga guys ukuthi dizenze inwele. Like I really don't want to do my own hair. But yeah, let's see how the day goes. Also khubullo ya no ka perisitse ngwana jersey morning na sa tsa jersey phakela ke mo retsa tsa jersey nna ke wese ke na le lumba Marian khubuleno ka pere vest ka class. But yeah, let's see what we can do with this lady.
Not sure I understand it, but
hi guys, so the car wash didn't work because it was full, and then bar the only availability they're going to finish washing ka 4, so ka skrana up until 4 resna plan mario re tula the way atlanka speed ka teng yo. So we just decided to leave it, and then yeah, so we're just running some errands at the mall, and then we will see if guys, sorry about the lighting. Also, I think my camera lens is not clean, but yeah.
And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. Yeah. I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, my worries disappear. It's all because of you, yeah. I feel the way I do.
Guys, we made it to the car wash. We found a new one, well, a different one. I'd actually forgotten that there's a car wash here. So, yeah, cheers, dog. Cheers. Cheers, dog.
Because of you. I see that you want it, driving me crazy with that fire in your eyes. Oh, but I try to ignore it. Part of me wants to see you read between the lines, and all of the back and forth, the same no intertwined. Baby, won't you take your time with love for me, love for me? Your heart be falling right into mine. I don't want the rush to get the best of me, best of me. Just know that's all I'm asking for. Don't you call me kissing over. You see if I'm innocent. I'm just trying to get to know ya. Would you take the time, come and show me? Never seen the air on over. I don't wanna try to be. Don't you call me kissing over. Just want you to know you
want this. Isn't it crazy how the stars have fallen aligned? Oh, yeah. But can I be honest? I'm so afraid to fall too deep or flow too high.
My baby is clean, guys. So, and empty. So, petrol. And then, yeah, thank you for spending the day with us, guys. We're just going to make dinner. And that would be the end of the vlog. So, until the next one, I love you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. You guys are not liking my video, you're not subscribing to my video, you're not sharing. Like Harinti. Well, I'm crashing out. No, I am crashing out, guys, because there's absolutely no way we are going to be under. Guys, I've been on 280 plus subscribers. Like, I've been on the road to 300 for I don't know how long. So, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Arapayin, and then I love you. Thanks, Chaz. Bye. Stay blessed.